Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. A 6x8 lean-to shed is the perfect compact storage solution for your backyard. Whether you need a place to store gardening tools, lawn equipment, or seasonal decorations, this shed offers ample space while maintaining a small footprint. The design features a stylish lean-to roof, a side window to let in natural light, and double front doors for easy access to all your stored items. A sturdy ramp adds convenience, allowing smooth entry for wheelbarrows, lawnmowers, or other heavy equipment. This shed is designed to be both functional and visually appealing, making it a great addition to any outdoor space. Built with durable materials and a straightforward construction process, this project is ideal for DIYers of all skill levels. With its practical layout and smart design features, the 6x8 lean-to shed not only keeps your tools organized but also adds value and charm to your property. The floor frame of the shed is built using 2x6 lumber, providing a strong and stable foundation to support the structure and any stored items. The larger size of the 2x6 boards ensures durability and minimizes flex, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. When constructing the floor frame, precise cuts and secure fasteners are essential to create a solid base that will last for years. This sturdy foundation is critical for ensuring the shed remains level and stable, even under heavy loads or harsh weather conditions. The walls and roof framing are constructed with 2x4 lumber, striking a balance between strength and cost-effectiveness. The 2x4s provide excellent support while keeping the overall weight of the shed manageable. For the exterior, T1-11 siding sheets are used to enclose the shed, offering a durable and weather-resistant finish with a classic wood grain appearance. T1-11 siding not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the shed but also simplifies installation, as the large panels are easy to attach and align. Together, these materials create a sturdy, functional, and visually pleasing shed that's built to stand the test of time. Building a 6x8 lean-to shed is a manageable project that can typically be completed over a weekend or two, depending on your experience level and available time. The straightforward design and compact size make it an ideal choice for DIYers. In terms of cost, you can expect to spend between $700 and $1,200, depending on the quality of materials you choose and local lumber prices. This estimate includes all necessary components, such as 2x6 and 2x4 lumber, T1-11 siding, roofing materials, and hardware. With this investment, you'll have a durable, long-lasting shed that adds value to your property. This project is perfect for DIYers because it strikes a balance between simplicity and functionality. The design is straightforward, with easy-to-follow framing and siding techniques that require only basic tools. At the same time, the inclusion of features like double doors, a ramp, and a side window allows for customization and creativity. By building it yourself, you'll save on labor costs while gaining valuable experience and the satisfaction of creating something practical with your own hands. Plus, it's a rewarding way to improve your outdoor space without breaking the bank. For a successful shed building project, precision and preparation are key. Start by carefully measuring and cutting all materials to ensure a snug and stable fit. Double-check your dimensions to avoid costly mistakes. Use pilot holes when drilling into wood to prevent splitting, especially near edges. Keep a spirit level handy to ensure everything is square and plumb, as this will impact the shed's durability and appearance. Invest in quality materials, such as pressure-treated lumber for the floor and durable T1-11 siding, to extend the life of your shed. Finally, take your time with finishing touches like sanding, painting, or staining to protect your work and give your shed a polished, professional look. Full plans for this project are available on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects and inspiration. And until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.